Welcome to this demo of Jarvis's latest integration, Zendesk Support Analytics and Smart Assistant. Customer support teams are the front line of any business, handling a continuous stream of customer inquiries. However, finding timely answers, tracking team performance, and providing effective multilingual support can be difficult. With Jarvis and Zendesk seamlessly connected, support operations become more efficient, data-driven, and responsive, all in one unified workspace. To begin, navigate to Jarvis and connect your company's Zendesk account from the Integrations menu. Let's take a telecommunications business as an example. It's the end of the month, and your first priority is to prepare the monthly review while also addressing tickets submitted over the past weekend. Here's how Jarvis and Zendesk help streamline your daily workflow and improve customer support quality. First, you would like to review last week's poured-out activity. Instead of spending time on manual data processing, you can request,
how many customers asked about converting their SIM cards to eSIMs last month?
Jarvis reviews your ticket data and presents a clear, up-to-date figure, giving you immediate insight into this key metric. Noticing a significant number of customers requesting SIM card to eSIM conversions, you decide to establish a consistent best practice response. You ask,
based on previous tickets, please summarize the solution for converting a SIM card to an eSIM and draft a model answer for this question.
Jarvis brings together prior case solutions and internal knowledge, delivering a clear model answer that your team can rely on. Zendesk also enables efficient multilingual support. With Jarvis, you can easily translate customer inquiries and generate draft replies in both the original language and English. For example, if you receive a ticket in Chinese, you can prompt,
Ticket 4333 was submitted in Chinese. Please translate the question and, based on our previous replies, draft an answer in both Chinese and English.
Jarvis will first translate the customer's question into English for your reference, then generate a recommended reply in both Chinese and English. After you review the draft and confirm everything looks good, you can say,
looks great. Please send out the reply.
Jarvis will then send the bilingual response to the customer. You can double-check in Zendesk to confirm that your message has been sent out successfully, making sure the customer's needs are clearly addressed while further streamlining your team's workflow. Finally, as a client service manager, it's essential to understand how your team is performing. You can ask,
please generate a ranking report of support agents' customer volumes and average response times for last month, and provide an infographic.
Jarvis generates detailed visual insights on individual and team performance, allowing you to recognize achievements and identify areas for further improvement. Jarvis can also be connected with other tools like Slack, Notion, and Confluence simultaneously, making your workflow even smarter. For instance, your team might discuss in a Slack channel that, starting this week, a special T-Mobile plan will be offered to existing customers who want to port out. When you receive a ticket from a customer expressing interest in transferring their number, you can use a prompt such as,
one ticket asks about porting out. Please generate the reply, taking into account the new T-Mobile retention offer announced in Slack this week.
Jarvis will reference your Slack discussions, retrieve the latest details about the retention offer, and draft a personalized response. This ensures you always provide up-to-date information and helps increase your chances of retaining valuable customers. With Jarvis's Zendesk integration, your team can respond faster, maintain consistency, assist customers in multiple languages, and monitor performance in real time, using just a few clear prompts. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more innovative features from Jarvis.